Hi, in this video, I will show you how to edit urban dark filter using Lightroom Mobile. So, let's start the video. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to +50. Bring the highlight to -23. Shadow to +46. -80 to whites. Black to +60. Go to curve, and follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. +60 for vibrance. Saturation to -10. Go to color mix. First go to red. Bring the hue down to -14, saturation for -50, and luminance for 14. Next go to orange. -10 for hue. Saturation to -23. And luminance to 26. Now move to yellow. Bring hue to -100. Saturation for -30. And luminance for 26. Bring down the saturation to -100 for green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity to +60. Dehaze to +20. Bring Vignette to -10. Next go to Split Tone. In Highlight, Hue for 220 and Saturation for 10. Hue for shadow to 220 and saturation to 5. And done. Now, go to Details. Sharpening to 20. Noise reduction to 35. finish. Take a look of before and after. Let's copy the setting and try to another image. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.